really hot. That's the big story. A Storm Team 10 weather alert in effect for us, and even the coastline today, not a lot of relief. Yesterday was feeling a whole lot better at the coast where we just headed into the low to mid 80s. Today the beaches upper 80s at least, near 90 degrees. Some like Horseneck Beach, Round Hill probably heading into those low 90s as well. The only place where you might get a nice little sea breeze be Block Island in the lower to mid 80s. But remember, we also have to factor in that humidity, so feeling at least like 90 degrees at many of our south-facing beaches. Of course, the further inland you are, the hotter and more humid it'll be. Already looking pretty sizzling out there in Middletown and Newport as well. We didn't really notice a lot of fog this morning, but clearly we're a bit hazy early on along the immediate coastline. I don't see many beach walkers out there this morning. I'm pretty surprised, but no surprise, I guess, since we are so warm and humid, even though right now is honestly the best time to get outdoors before that heat really takes over. Low 70s for us in Middletown here at Easton's Beach or People's Credit Union Skycam Network from Flo's Clam Shack. Again, dealing with some of that haze and cloudiness at the south coastline, but we're headed towards those mostly sunny skies. Ultimately, and actually before lunchtime, we could hit 90 in many of our interior spots. Staying mostly sunny today, inland temperatures heading into those mid to mid upper 90s, potentially record breaking. The record for the day is 95, so if we hit 96, 97 degrees in some spots, especially at TF Green, we could be tying or breaking that record. Again, upper 80s at the coastline as well, and we're staying in the 80s even after the sun goes down. So again, not a ton of relief for us even as we head towards tonight. Another night you need that AC running, and again, not only through the daytime hours today, but overnight as well. Here's a look at your heat indices, how hot it'll really be feeling. Again, feeling like the 90s to nearly 100 at the coastline. The Cape and the Islands also feeling like the 90s. Again, only a slight southwest wind, so not helping us out much in terms of feeling better at the coast. Look at these inland feels like values, low 100s as we head towards this afternoon. So today is the hottest day for sure of this stretch. Tomorrow's still feeling hot though, a couple degrees lower in terms of our air temperatures and our heat indices as well, feeling like the upper 90s to nearly 100 degrees in some spots. Tomorrow, not a bad one either. We're staying mostly sunny and mostly dry, although of course uncomfortable. Warm start in the 70s, heading up into those low 90s throughout the interior with a few passing clouds. But as we head towards late Wednesday, we start to notice a cold front dropping our way. I'm not really expecting any stronger storms our direction. We could catch an isolated shower or thunderstorm, but most of the active weather on Wednesday will be staying off to our northwest because of a slow-moving cold front. As that drops our way, though, it will increase our rain chances overnight Wednesday night into Thursday. You can see our best chances of rain will be Thursday into Thursday evenings, most of the day on Thursday, and then we continue to see some rain Friday morning before ultimately drying up in the afternoon hours. Our temperatures also take a hit as well, finally getting some relief, and our humidity will be dialing back. It's a big change though. We go from the 90s Wednesday into only the 70s Thursday and Friday. Again, dodging some scattered showers and storms on Thursday, and Friday morning is looking wettest for us, but I don't think it's going to be a complete washout. Most of our models are clearing out this front as we head towards Friday evening. There's that slow-moving cold front, again kicking back scattered showers and storms for much of the day on Thursday, and a secondary low regenerates in the back end of this front, which is why we continue to see some rain showers early Friday. Eventually, though, that's pushing offshore, and we're drying out for the second half of Friday. Coming up, I'll show you that 10-day forecast so you can take a closer look at the weekend forecast that is looking much improved and much more comfortable. Mario?
All right.